Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate applications or apps updates in Windows operating system very quickly. You often see pop-ups appearing like this app has an update available like that and you choose to apply the updates or not. Okay, so how do we automate it? See, this WinGet utility is all that you need. WinGet upgrade. Now, in my case, on my system, I have already applied all the updates, so nothing is available. That's why you see this message. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I want to automate this process so that my system remains secure and up to date. You can just open a text file in Notepad, okay, and enter this line of code. So WinGet upgrade and silent. I use this flag so that Windows installer pop-up window doesn't appear. And all means grab all the items, all the applications related upgrades, and these two accept flags so that I don't have to manually select I agree, I do not agree, or maybe like that. Okay. So this one liner is enough to automate your task. For example, let me copy and paste it here. Okay, let's see. And then enter. But you see again, nothing is matched because I have already executed this command. Okay. Next, what you need to do is just save this file. Okay, in a location where you're not likely to delete it accidentally maybe. So you can save it on your C drive, D drive, or your desktop, or create a folder called scripts, my scripts, or whatever you like. Ensure that the extension name is .bat, bat. Okay. So update apps, that is the name of the file, and .bat, that is the extension. So .bat means a batch file. Windows recognizes it as a batch file or batch processing file. Okay, let me show you here. Commands. You see? So Windows batch file. So it is automatically executable. You can just double click it or you can hit enter after selecting it and it will execute automatically. So let me double click. Oh, the window just disappeared automatically. I could not show you. So what I can do for this video, type pause here, hit Ctrl S to save this file so that my batch file is updated and I go. Now I can show you. Okay, so press any key to continue. I hit enter and the window disappears. That's it, guys. Now the next step is once you have this file ready, you can manually run it, execute it, and you can also use something called task scheduler in Windows. So you use the task scheduler utility in your Windows operating system and then you choose like how frequently you want to execute this script automatically, like maybe weekly. It is better weekly or maybe once in a month or on particular days of week like Sundays, Mondays, whatever you prefer. And it's very simple. So the task scheduler will automatically run this job for you. The key benefit is your system is secure, up to date, no overheads of manually finding applications which need updates or boring and annoying pop-ups. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like it, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who use Windows operating system on their laptop or desktops. In my next video, I'll show you how to use task scheduler in Windows in case you don't know yet. Bye bye.